Hello, and welcome to Searching the American Antiquarian Society catalog, MARC View. So sometimes when you search the catalog, you can get a result that doesn't make a lot of sense. For example, I'm going to do a keyword anywhere search for the word sewing, and the first record I get is abstract of the public documents exhibiting the measures recommended by the administration, et cetera, and so forth. And so when I click that record, I look at it and I don't see the word sewing in the top information, and I don't see the word sewing in the more about this item, and I don't see the word sewing in the find similar items, which are hyperlinks you can click through. And so just to make double check that I'm not overlooking something, I'll do a Control F for the word sewing, and I still don't get anything. However, there is more information in this record than is immediately apparent. What's available by default is called the record view. And so it gives you transcription, title information, creator information, notes from the cataloger, links to help you find similar things. But there is more information. And so you can see the full record if you click over on the right-hand side, MARC View. And that takes you behind the scenes, if you will. This is a record as a cataloger experiences it and looks at it and works with it. And so if I look at MARC View, I do find the word sewing nicely highlighted. And it's in a note about the item's condition, mentioning that the sewing, which helps hold the pamphlet together, is gone. And so the word sewing is in this record. It's just not immediately apparent when you first open the record. The catalog is not intelligent. It doesn't make inferences. If it's giving you a search result, there's a reason it's giving you the search result. It's just occasionally you hit a search where you need to see behind the scenes to see the full record in order to understand why the result is there. To go back to the default view, if you click Record View, it takes you back to the default view that you usually get with, again, the title information about the publication, how long it is, more about its item, and find similar items. So MARC View is behind the scenes, Record View is in the front of the scenes. And so that concludes our video on MARC View. Thanks for coming.